Look at this. We'll go over all the accessories he has. Cause man, his car is really nice. Oh, this guy has everything. I know. More to come. Uh-oh, uh-oh.
Oh yeah.
Man, can't work on the car without that. That's our fuel. What up, guys? So we're back. Let me just tell you something. They ran over my hat. I was driving Comrade's X3 and it flew off and a car ran over my hat. But anyways, back to the project. So we're working on Comrade's X3 and this is what we'll be doing. Look at this. Ooh, X3 door openers. Look at that. So we'll be showing you how to install these. So far, Comrade has installed the front and the rear, and they work really, really good. So Comrade's actually going to show us how to install them because I have no clue. And also, we'll be going through his car to see what's, what kind of mods he has. All right, so let me introduce you to the owner. So we could go down the list of all the mods. So this is Comrade. Comrade.
Howdy.
Well, what's your Instagram?
It's Viking Louie.
King Louie. So people go and follow him. Give him some likes on the car. Please. So what kind of mods have we done here to the car?
Just basic stuff. Let me see here. First, I got the mirrors, chupacabra mirrors. I got this LED light bar. The rack up top.
The rack.
Oh yeah, check out that rack, big boy. And then we got these LED lights, the spotlights in the front and in the rear.
And these lights are really nice because you have the LED that go around the light and they change colors, right?
Yeah, you change every different color in the rainbow.
And they have patterns. I think at what was it, Dumont Dunes, you got in trouble, right? Because you were rocking the red?
Oh yeah, you can't rock the red or blue in the front.
In the front. Let's go to the back. What do we have going on in the back? Oh, what do you got going on in the back over here? Oh, see, there goes the red.
Oh yeah.
Got a chase light.
Got a chase light in the rear. And that back board back on.
There it is.
Oh yeah. Chase light. Got a storage container for whatever you need.
What about what are you packing down here?
So we got the EVP straight pipe. Check it out right there. Check out the old what is it, the suitcase that they call? Take that out and put the straight pipe with the slip in what is it?
Spark arrestor.
And then the what is it, the sound reducer?
So he has a sound reducer on his because when we first took his car out, it was way too loud, too much drone, and even with the helmet on, it would give you a headache. But now it sounds nice, and it's a really nice tone. Let's see. Let's turn it on. Come on.
Yeah, let's turn it on.
Come on. Let's turn it on. So Comrade, first of all, what about, is this a kit? Is this what parts do we need?
Well,
in order to do this conversion?
I ordered the Can-Am Maverick XT door opener Tech 208. It comes with everything you need.
Okay. We'll put the link in the description, so in case if you're interested on the parts, we'll definitely add that to the description on the video. And then, so what should we do first? What is the first step?
We're gonna work in the rear since this is a max. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove these bolts right here. It's a 13. So we're gonna take off both, and then we're gonna slip on the attachment that goes here, or the door opener.
All right, perfect.
So we're gonna carefully take out the bolts with the washer. Just gotta be careful not to lose the washer.
Don't lose the washer, because I've done that multiple times.
Alright, and then just gonna pop this in here and then slide that to this hole. Do the same for
now,
the
do you
side.
have to do any kind of cutting or anything?
Not for this side. For the front, we're gonna have to do a little cutting.
Okay.
But because there's a little weight, it's kind of difficult to do this with one hand.
Alright, so there it is, tightening right there. Just put everything back together with the adapter. And then what's the next step, comrade?
So the next thing we're gonna do is you come right over here on this side. We're gonna take out this T-bolt. We'll take this one out, put the adapter for the lower end. It's gonna go like this, and we're gonna have to make a hole for this end onto the existing plate.
So there's a little bit of drilling.
Just a little bit of drilling.
Nothing too hard.
Nothing too hard, exactly.
Alright.
And after that, and that's pretty much it. You just attach the piston. All good to go.
Good. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Alright guys, really quick, a tip that comrade just told me.
So
go ahead.
we're gonna go in and put a little plate, piece of metal to prevent accidentally drilling into the plastic panel. What are you using? So I'm just using any metal plate. I'm using actually a door hinge, an old door hinge, solid metal. You know for sure you're not gonna drill into it, so it doesn't hurt to use whatever's laying around that's metal. You just go ahead and start drilling with this. You start off with a small bit. See? No hole. Thanks to this metal. Saved our day.
Alright, comrade, what's going on? Give us an update.
Alright, so now we made the hole. Let me show the hole. The hole's right there. So this just basically goes up. We slide the bolt right in, and then we put the washer in the rear. So then once I get the washer into the bolt, I use a vice grip plier, so that way I can just tighten it. So I'm gonna use the drill first to get that bolt in there. Okay. Now I'm gonna use the vice grip just to hold the nut in the back.
The pointy one too, right?
Yeah, so that way you have a longer nose. It's easier to grab the the nut, and then we just tighten the bolt.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. And that's it. So the last step is to put the piston, or to install it. So first we got to take out these little pins. Slide right out. There's two of them.
So it's kind of like the locker.
Yeah, it kind of locks this into place. So you attach this end over against the car, and the other end, just turn this. This goes onto the door. Bam.
Do you put the lockers back on?
Yeah, and then you slide the pins back in.
We had to redo this hinge here, or this adapter. What we had to do is, in order to attach that, we closed the door and then screwed in the adapter on there, because the first time we just tightened it with the door open and it was too low, it wouldn't close the door, so it wasn't aligned. So like, now let's test it. Come on, comrade, be the model. Ooh, now go inside the car and do it. Here's our model, comrade, King Louis on IG. Follow him.
Oh!
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
There you go.
There you go. Now you
That's
want to
how
open
it's
the door? Ooh, my gosh.
Dang. Don't need nobody.
Imagine on top of a dune at Pismo. Oh, just quick little thing. Louis doesn't like Pismo because he goes through belts.
This one's a little different from the rear because we have to cut a little pocket here, which allows the attachment or the bracket to hang here at this corner.
So it takes a little more.
So it takes a little time, takes a little effort to cut out that little piece, but something easy to do.
It's all right. Comrade's an engineer, so he'll be able to do it. Let's do it.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and continue with the cutting a little piece of the plastic. So we've cut a little piece here to slide in the bracket, but before we cut, we decided to just put this first bolt in, which gives us an idea of where we're going to cut. So we're basically going to cut this little corner of the piece of this little plastic, so that way, which allows us to attach the door opener to the door. So once we cut this part, we're just going to push this bracket in, bolt it down, and then that'll be it for that part of the installation.
All right, guys, so Comrade here, he tightened both of the screws. I don't know if you can see, let me move the light. Right there, he cut them. He cut the little plastic there. So then the little plate there slides in. Good job, Comrade.
All we got to do is mount the door part of the bracket.
So is the door part similar to the one that we did in the rear?
Yeah, this part is very similar. It's exactly similar. So all we got to do is just drill a hole, and that's it.
Perfect. Dude, almost done.
Attach the shock to this end, and that's pretty much it. Just like the rear, we were able to, we had to drill a hole for this bolt. This bolt also has a nut behind, which I used a vice grip to tighten the bolt into the nut.
All right.
But that's pretty much it.
But if you guys have any questions, please look. He has a pretty cool ride. If you have any questions, let us know. If you want to know anything else about the build, please let us know. Put it on the comments, and we'll definitely answer. And if you want to know of any setup, another really cool thing, all his wires are going through the roll cage, so the wires and everything are super clean, all the wiring. But if you have any questions, please let us know. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and let us know what other content you guys want. Thanks.